Hello, my beautiful spirits. Good morning. I hope that you're doing amazing. God bless you. Stay positive, my friends. Stay positive today. So today I'm going to prepare a salad muy rica con tuna. Y I'm going to prepare also a glass of juice with turmeric. Okay, you know that turmeric is very good for disinflammate. Para la ensalada, for the salad, I'm just going to do it with cucumbers, tomatoes. Este es un orange pepper y voy a usar limones. También le voy a poner el aceite de oliva, un poco de sal y la tuna. The brand is 365. Y para mi jugo voy a ponerle turmeric y le voy a poner un poco de honey y también el limón. And I'm gonna rinse it up again. Lo voy a cortar también en cuadraditos pequeños. Voy a ponerle sal, un poquito de sal, el aceite de oliva ahora. Vamos a preparar esto. I'm gonna combine this before we add the tuna. El brand de esta tuna es 365. Okay, I bought it in Whole Foods, store, and cost like $3 and some cents, pero es muy buena. Miren, yo he probado muchas, pero esta so far es la que me gusta. Es bien tasty esta tuna. I will put some olives. I love olives. My tuna salad with olives. Now I'm gonna warm it up some water for my juice. I pass my warm water here in this glass. I'm going to add that turmeric. Voy a agregar una cucharita, 1 spoon de turmeric. The turmeric is very good for you. Has a lot of properties, antioxidantes, nutrients. It's good for the disinflammations. Miren, entonces I'm going to add, the honey. I'm going to add 1 spoon or 2 spoons. It's up to you how much honey you want to add. But I will add 2 spoons. 1. Now I'm gonna add 1 lime. Okay. So this is ready. This is ready to drink. I recommend you to drink it because it's very good for disinflammations, for your joints. This turmeric is very good. But you have to be consistent in preparing and drink it. And also I'm using my turmeric mask on my face. This is very good to erase fine lines, and also it's very good for the sunspots, the age spots, pigmentation. So this helps to fade them, you know. So I'm working on this. If you didn't see the video, go down and look for the video with I have a mask of turmeric. Jeff, hijito.
Hi to all the beautiful spirits. I just want to say thank you to all the wonderful birthday comments that everybody has been sending me. My mom has been reading the comments to me through the phone, so it's just very overwhelming knowing I got a good support system out there. And I really just can't wait to get home so I can show you guys all the talents I got, so I can entertain you guys, and, just kind of get to know everybody on a greater scale. So, I also want to say thank you to all the people that show support to my mom, because, she does take great pride in this. So when I do hear that people are supporting my mom and what she likes to do, it really does, make me happy. Knowing I do have a good support system out there, from the feedback that you guys give, just gives me more motivation to. I also do want to say that I do not consider you guys fans. I consider you guys family. Anyone willing to take the time out of the day to just make a comment, email me, anything, just to show their love and care for me. That does go a long way for me. And I really do appreciate every single last one of you guys. Even if you guys just have the mental support there for me, it's very heartfelt and very appreciated. I've never been a popular person, but all the comments is definitely appreciated and acknowledged. So I want to thank you guys all. I love every single one last.
I want to thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart, because I read all the comments. Believe me, I read all the comments. The only advice I can give you, if you're passing through turbulence in this life and a lot of problems, to having incarcerated loved ones, it is that you have to have your life in obedience, and you have to have the connection to God. That's the only way that you're gonna be fine. Because I know that you must feeling depressed and crying every day. I know that. I passed through that moments too. When my son, they incarcerate my son. I passed those moments too, of course. And of course, I feel the pain in my heart, because it hurts me that my son is in there. Of course, it's gonna hurt you. But if you establish a relationship with God, that pain is not gonna be too hard. It's not, because you're gonna have the hope and the faith that your son is gonna be fine, your loved one is gonna be fine. But you need to pray, you need to talk to God. Otherwise, you're gonna feel suffering and crying all day. You have to let God works in the plan. You have to show God that you have a faith. You have to show God that you are positive. That's the way. You have to be positive. You cannot be negative. No way. No. Otherwise, it's not going to work. Nothing is going to work. You have to have positive mentality. The only advice I can give you from the bottom of my heart as a mother, that you have to fold your knees. You have to. I have goosebumps. You have to fold your knees and open your heart to God. Open your heart. Cry to God. Cry. Cry to God and tell how you feel. You have to fold your knees and tell God to do His will for your loved ones. Be sincere to God. Be sincere. Be humble. You have to be humble to talk to God. You have to fold your knees and open your heart and let it go the real you. Open your soul, open your spirit, and let it go everything to God. So He will listen. He's listening to you, but He's waiting for you to have the hope and the faith that everything is gonna be fine. You need to help your loved ones in prayers. You need to pray for your loved ones for protection. This advice is for all of you guys. This advice is that in this life, if you don't have the connection, you're gonna be eventually lost. If you don't have the connection to God, eventually you're gonna be lost. And you are on time to do it. Make God your best friend. Make God your partner. Make God your partner. And you will see how your life is gonna change. So my friends, I hope that you enjoy this moment. And again, thank you so much for all your wishes for my son Jeff. Thank you so much for all the beautiful, amazing messages. It's unbelievable. I can feel the love and your beautiful energy. And God has mercy on us. And God has mercy in this entire world. I love you very, very much. Bye-bye.